Welcome, my creative friends. Today we are bringing a simple household object, a ladder, to life. Yes, an ordinary ladder can become one of the most beautiful, eco-friendly, and creative X-Mix decoration in your home. We will also explore pinecone crafts, healthy holiday activities, and the mindfulness benefits of decorating with love and nature. So, relax, light a candle, and let's begin this beautiful X-Mix journey together. X-Mix letters are more than decorations, they are symbol of growth, hope, and reaching towards light. When you decorate a letter, you are not just filling a corner, you are building a vertical story of joy. Each step becomes a stage of ornaments, lights, and handmade crafts. It's a simple idea, but it transforms your space into a cozy X-Mix wonderful. Whether rustic wooden or painted white, every letter carries charm and a touch of nostalgia, reminding us that beauty often comes from simplicity. Let's start by preparing your X-Mix letter. Find an old leather, wooden ones are perfect. Clean it gently, and if you like, brush on a light coat of winter or golden paint for a snowy glow. You can wrap jute or burlap around the sides for a natural look, or use fairy lights along the steps to add sparkle. Each rung of a ladder will soon hold something special: pinecone stars, candle, or little gifts. This is where the magic begins. Now it's time to bring in one of nature's most beautiful gifts, the pinecone. Pinecone are more than ornaments, they are symbol of growth and renewal, reminding us that even the winter nature prepares for new beginning. You can paint pinecone white for a snowy look or gold for an elegant finish. Attach small loops of twine and hang them on each step of your ladder. Mix them with green pine branches, jute ribbon, or cinnamon sticks for a cozy aromatic effects. You can even create mini pinecone garlands by threading several together. Perfect for draping along the ladder's frame. Every pinecone adds a touch of nature, grounding your home in peace and calm. Here's a creative twist. Turn your ladder into an X-Mix tree. Stand it open in a corner and hang ornaments from each step. Stars, bells, or recycled crafts. Wrap strings light all around from bottom to top. Add pine leaves and a bow on the top, rung as your tree topper. This is wonderful idea if you want something unique, space-saving, and eco-friendly. It is also a fun project for families, kids, hanging small ornaments or writing wishes on paper, text to clip on the ladder. Your ladder becomes not just decor but a living memory board of holiday joy. X-Mix doesn't need to be expensive, it needs to be meaningful, and that's where recycling steps in. Use what you already have. Use old jars as candle holders, scrap fabric for ribbons, paper stars cut from packaging boxes, even dried flowers leaves can add rustic elegance. When you recycle, you celebrate creativity and care for the planet. Each handmade piece carries your energy, pure, mindful, and full of heart. Crafting isn't just decoration, it's therapy. As you tie ribbons, hang ornaments, and paint becomes your mind slows down, you become present. The simple motions of your hands calm your thought just like meditation. It reduces stress, improves focus, and fills you with quiet happiness. That's the real gift of X-Mix. Peace inside and out. Turn your ladder decorating in a joyful family activity. Let's give paint small stars or write wishes to hang on the ladder. Let elders tie lights or place or stocking small handmade crafts on each step. Hang beautiful stocking and beautiful ornaments. It becomes more than decoration, it becomes togetherness. You laugh, create, and connect without screens, without rush. And when the lights finally glow, everyone feels proud. You didn't just decorate, you created memories. Now stand back and admire your creation. Add final touches, maybe a cozy blanket draped over one step or a garland hanging to the side. Place candles or light gift boxes on the lower rungs. At night, turn on the fairy lights, let it shine soft. Thank you, be a part of this journey, and thank you for joining us today. Have a very nice and beautiful, glorious day. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, creation. So, till the next time, keep crafting, keep creating something new, keep making something elegant and different. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, and make crafting. Keep crafting. Love you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very glorious day.